Here's a Hampton Bay Landmark ceiling fan. 42 inches. This is in a storage area. Here's a light. Low. This actually takes a while to get up to speed, so I'm going to give it a push. I'm going to give it a push. Low. Here's medium. Oh, it buzzes. That's not good. But does it wobble? I know fans, houses, etc. caught couple landmarks buzzing. But at least you might have 4. But one of them doesn't buzz, but it wobbles. On a Hunter thermostat right there. Very nice. Hi. Oop. Forgot to show you the light. Light. Hi. Buzzes. Buzzes a little bit. Sometimes these landmarks can make a vibration noise. Anyways. Spin it. I don't know if I can do spin down because my mom set a timer. Which fans, houses, etc. calls these crap marks. Not good. If we can make it time for spin down, maybe we'll just only show high reverse. So anyways, yeah.
We're gonna go outside. You can go out that door too, okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And you know, the 52-inch one, Mr. Horsepower 7 thinks these are the worst. But fans, house, etc., the 42-inch ones are worse because they buzz. The motor housing vibrates, but without the light, they don't buzz, but they hum. Because they vibrate. I don't know why they vibrate. Vibrate. Anyways. Hope we can make it in time for some more spin down. We're just going to only show high reverse, like how the Fan Guy 21 did. High reverse. Maybe we'll do a quick thing of factory speeds. Give it a push. Actually, I can't do factory speeds, so let's stop it. Send it back to forward. Yes. Thanks for watching.